I'm back with another video. Since somebody commented, I have to show my fidgets, y'all. So I'm gonna show you the drawers. So this is my slime. We got a lot of slime, and yeah, there's one slime over there, but I'm not showing that one. Over here is my squish balls. So I have, well, not squish balls, it's just like ball fidgets. So we got Neatos, we got a DNA ball, and we have this, and pretty much y'all know what is in there because I did one thing, but there's some new stuff in there, so yeah. Oh, oops. There's slime right there. So these are all my poppets. So first we have the dimple, this heart shell poppet, this big poppet, this thing from Target, the square, a pineapple and a cupcake, this clamshell, this square, this basic star, this hexagon, this unicorn dimple, this mini poppet, this unicorn poppet, this unicorn simple dimple, roach, this fidget spinner, simple dimple, this, and this. It's everything. So yeah, I'm filming on my iPad right now because my phone, I don't feel like filming on my phone. So this is homemade fidgets. I'm not gonna show you all that because that was like all my favorite fidgets. These two drawers are ingredients for my stuff, and this is all the randoms. Hold up. This is all the randoms. So today I'm gonna show you all the randoms. So there's Floam, there's this. Oops, Floam just fell out. Wacky Track, Monkey Noodles, straws. I don't know. Make some Marpod, 2 pop tubes, 2 snakes, mochis, infinity cube, this thing, a loony pets, a ladder, this, butterfly, remote control, this marble mesh, squishies, acupressure rings, squishy, oh yeah, these scraper pen things,